Hey guys, Donnie Wade here. Just wanted to do a video this morning, kind of an announcement. With this d.ai.sy platform that's going to be launching here on January 4th, I want to try to bring back the giveaways that used to be on the channel. If you guys are long-term subscribers and watch the channel, back in the day we used to give away Bitcoin a lot on the channel. So I want to try to bring that back. So if you guys haven't already, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, do hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when new videos come up. And what I'm going to be doing as d.ai.sy launches, if it's as successful as I think it will be, I'm going to be bringing these giveaways back. Just going to kind of see how it goes and how often these things might be. But you're going to definitely have to be subscribed to the channel, and I'm going to be picking random comments on the videos. So just leave any comment on the video that you'd like the program, have a question, anything like that, and I'm going to use a randomizer to just pick a winner as I start to do these giveaways. So these are going to start after January 4th, but I'm going to be using, I could use any random video that has a lot of comments on it. So check that out. The other thing too, if you guys are going to join d.ai.sy through my referral link and join our team, I am going to be showing you guys a splash site or a sales funnel that I have that you guys can have free use of. You will just have to have a membership at the Conversion Pros, and I'll show you how to do that. There'll be a link in the description if you don't have a membership. If you do, I'll walk you through and you'll get a direct copy of this page or any other ones that I end up making for d.ai.sy. So I do suggest you guys check it out. It's going to be a strong team. There's going to be a lot of training, a lot of help trying to get you guys started in the right way and growing the way you guys want to. So I welcome you, and I hope 2021 is an awesome year for everybody. I think it's off to a great start here on January 4th, but time will tell and we'll see how it happens. Thanks for watching the channel. I'll talk to you guys soon.